I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering the exact tools you will need for the repair. Use a Torx T8 security driver for the exterior screws and a T6 driver for internal screws. Have a 25W soldering iron and desoldering braid ready for safe pad work. Use a soft spudger and small plastic pry tools to avoid plastic damage. Keep the replacement joystick module and magnetic screw mat within reach. Work on a clean, well-lit surface to avoid losing tiny parts. Power down the controller and remove the batteries before starting any work. Remove the back cover by unscrewing the 4 Torx T8 security screws slowly and store them safely. Gently separate the faceplate using a soft spudger to avoid snapping plastic clips. Locate the joystick solder pads on the PCB and heat each pin with the 25W soldering iron. Use desoldering braid to clear solder from the pads until pins move freely. Carefully lift the old joystick module straight up from the board. Position the replacement joystick module precisely into the PCB holes before soldering. Solder each pin with small amounts of solder to form clean, shiny joints using the 25W iron. Inspect each joint for bridges and reheat if any cold joints appear. Reassemble the controller faceplate and fit the back cover, then tighten Torx T8 screws evenly. Reinsert batteries and power on the console to test button and stick response immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.